Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want a professional logo but don't know how to design one? In this video, I will show you how to make a clean modern logo in Canva completely free. It's fast, beginner friendly, and perfect for small businesses, YouTube channels, or personal branding. Let's jump in. First of all, head over to canva.com and create a free account if you don't have one already. In the search bar, type logo and click the logo design template. This gives you a square canvas perfect for logos. Choose one from here like that. Then click customize this template. Canva has hundreds of free logo templates. Pick one that matches your niche like tech, beauty, fitness, or any other business. I recommend starting with a template if you are new, but you can also click blank if you want full control. Now click on the text and replace it with your brand or business name. You can also add a tagline if you want. You can change the fonts from here. Free fonts include Railway, Playfair, Display, etc. Change the color, pick text color option, pick color from here. You can even paste your hex code if you have one. Want a new symbol? Go to Elements tab from the left sidebar and search for icons like camera. Choose a free icon like that and enter here. You can change the color, scroll to here, then change the color to red or white. That's it. Choose free icons and drag them onto your canvas. Make sure everything is centered. Use Canvas Smart Guides to help align your logo perfectly. Click on that. And that's it. Once you are done, click the share button from the right sidebar. Then download. Choose PNG for high quality. For transparent backgrounds, you will need Canva Pro, but for now, download the standard PNG. Want multiple versions? Make a black version, a white version, and a color version so your logo works on any background. You can use the same colors and fonts from your logo to create a consistent brand identity. Go to the Canvas Brand Hub to save your colors, fonts, and logo in one place. Now that your logo is ready, you can use it for social media profiles, business cards, website headers, watermarks. Just upload the PNG wherever you need. For custom design, click Design or from the three-dot menu, click the Design section or click the plus icon. Now You can search here like logo like that. Click on it, and when you're in, just you can add template from here, or click the text icon, then click add a text box, add your text here like that. Now change the font style from the fonts tab. Choose the color from here and resize the text. Now add some elements from your elements tab, like camera icon. Choose the color again, like black. You can decrease the opacity from the transparency option. And that's it. You can add some text again. Click text and enter your brand signature code like happy shopping. Then text, then there's the font from here like that. Look like that. And that's how you make a free logo in Canva in under 8 minutes. No design experience needed. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop a comment below if you want a full Canva branding kit tutorial next. So, thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one. Keep watching my video. Stay tuned. Love it.